Jai Hind everyone, we are here to discuss about the drone technology, which is called as unmanned aerial vehicle, which is controlled by remotes and AI. Mostly, drone is a very beneficial for the defense sector and defense sector, delivery sector, and farming sector. Farmers use drone to spread medicine and fertilizer in their fields.
Yes, dear friends, I'm totally agree with you. And in my opinion, drone technology is a technology based on artificial intelligence and it is being used in many sectors.
What should be clear and audible, please?
In different sectors, the role of drone has increased and people we are able to enter the situation along the border with the help of drone. And it is being used to keep watch on terror activities, especially in remote areas. Yes, friends, I'm totally agree with you. Drone technology is the use of unmanned alien vehicle that can be controlled remotely or fly autonomously. Drone, a pilot can send commands to a drone, or the drone can fly autonomously using software. Drones can have cameras that collect visual data, and it is used in many marriages and weddings to capture pictures and videos from different angles that cannot be done by a human.
Dear friends, I'm totally agree with you. Drone technology is based on artificial intelligence. It controlled by a mobile and remote. It is used in many sectors. In defense sector, it is important role and increasing the drone technology because drone technology monitoring the activities of terrorists in the nextly, especially in Jammu Kashmir and Chhattisgarh.
Dear friends, in my opinion, drone technology is the use of unmanned aerial vehicle that can be controlled by remote. Drone technology is used in agriculture in many fields as agriculture, forestry, and transportation. Drone can be used in agricultural activities such as crop monitoring, field mapping, and pest detection and crop spraying.
Dear friends, I totally agree with you. With the use of in agriculture, it is also used in defense sector. As we saw that it monitor many missiles and robots, and it will also monitor our border. And it is sometimes, yes, I am agree with this. Sometimes we are controlled and make disasters in our life and also the countries. But sometimes other countries use it for our harms.
Yes, dear friends, I'm totally agree with you. And drone technology is being used in farming for spraying medicine and fertilizer. And also the police also use the drone to stop violence and crime. And it is used in marriages, rallies, seminars, and it is a cost effective. And also it is used by many companies to transfer goods like Amazon and Flipkart.
Dear friends, I'm totally agree with you. The drone technology used for the search operation after the natural disaster. Drone technology is a very much beneficial for removing the humans working in more dangerous places like mining.
Yes, dear friends, I'm partially agree. Drone technology is used for entertainment also like drone racing, and drone technology can also be used by defense sectors to monitor borders and terrorist activities at the borders.
Yes, dear friends, I agree with you. Drone technology is a technology that is totally based on artificial intelligence. And dear friends, it is being used in many sectors, especially in defense sector. The role of users of drone technology is increasing day by day in today's time. And dear friends, we are able to monitor the situation along the border with the help of drones.
Yes, dear friend, you are absolutely right. Drone technology is a boon and it makes revolutionary change in all over the world. And dear friends, drones are basically used for photography, video recording, the marriages, birthday parties, and ceremonies. But nowadays, these are used for by our rescue teams like CRPF and NDRF to rescue the people in the case of flood. And dear friends, it is also used by our armed forces to protect our country from various terrorist activities. So it play an important role to protect our country and rescue the peoples.
Dear friends, I totally agree with you. In my opinion, drone technology is the unmanned aerial vehicle that controls remotely and fly autonomous. Drone technology are used in many fields like construction, security purpose, and filmmaking. And drone technology are used in agriculture sectors like field mapping, crop monitoring, and spraying the chemicals and spraying fertilizers.
A friend, I will agree with your point. The drone technology is the technology which is based on the artificial intelligence, and it is used in many sectors. In the defense sectors, the uses of drones have increased, and we are able to monitor the borders by the use of drones.
Yes, my dear friend, I agree with your point that drones have many benefits, but also it's also have some drawbacks. Like it is based on the technology, and most of the villagers can't use it properly, and it is also cost effective because it's need a software and hardware which is high rated, and it is also used by the terrorists and the other nation to provide bombs in our civil areas.
Yes, dear friends, you are right, and I agree with you. And dear friends, drone technology is used to watch on terror activities. And dear friends, these are also used. And dear friends, these are also used the drone technology to prevent civil activities and restore violence and riots. And dear friends, it can be used in farming for spraying medicine and fertilizer. And dear friends, in today's scenario, many countries use drone technology to transfer goods like Amazon and Flipkart. And dear friends, it is a very cost effective. And dear friends, it comes with 5 to 10 year warranty. So that's why the reason it is playing very important role in a developing country like India.
Yes, dear friend, you are absolutely right. But in my opinion, as we all know that everyone has two sides. So drone technology has also its own merit and demerit. First of all, I say positively in a positive way. Drones are used by the farmers in agriculture sector to spreading pesticides and fertilizers in their fields, by which the farmers do their 4 days work in 2 hours. And dear friends, if I say negatively, drones are out of control, then it makes a disaster in our civil areas, so it is harmful also.
Dear friends, I totally agree with you. Drone technology nowadays is used in training to rescue persons after any natural disaster. It's also used in to photographies and filmmaking. Drone technology are used by our armed forces to stop illegal migration and to stop illegal drugs smuggling. And drone technology are also used by our armed forces and police to stop crimes.
Dear friend, I agree with your point. The drone is being used in farming for the spraying medicines and the fertilizers, and it is being used in the marriages and the parties and the seminars also. The drones is harmful for us. That like the terrorists are also use the drones for the terror attacks and activities.
Yes, dear friend, I am partially agree with you because the drones are decrease the level of employment in our country. And dear friends, new model drones are able to carry the nuclear weapon, so it is very harmful for whole humanity. So this is the drawback of drone technology.
Yes, dear friend, I totally agree. Drone are the flying device which can be controlled by smartphone and remote. These are also called unmanned aerial devices. These are also used in training industries because in the time of rescue team can also deliver food at the time of natural disaster, and it also find the people that are stuck and save them.
I totally agree with you. Various technology based on AI equipped with camera and sensor controlled by the remote. And also, my friend, the main objective of drone technology is to improve the surveillance and monitoring in different sectors. And also, my friend, drone cover the large area in small time. And also, my friend, drone help in emergency situation like searching of someone in crowded area and rescue operation to provide the food, medicine and water to the
rescue people. Also, my friend, it reduces the injury or death in hazardous places like coal mining and volcano traps.
Hence, I totally agree with drone technology based on artificial intelligence. They use in many sectors like army, defense, and many use. It is in defense sector the use of drones is main feature. It is used for surveillance and security for border lines.
Yes, dear friend, I am totally agree with you. Drones can be used to deliver food and medicine at the time of calamities. And rescue teams can find people that stuck and can save them. And dear friends, drones are used in agriculture field to crop mapping and crop spraying.
Yes, my friend, I totally agree with you. At the time of election, many paramilitary forces are used to drone technology to control the sensitive area. And also, my friends, drone technology are used in agriculture for separating the pesticides or fertilizers and irrigation. Also, my friend, drone technology are used in defense sector for surveillance and monitoring the borders and criminal activities.
Yes, dear friend, I am totally agree. Drones are also used in agriculture to see this purpose, pollinating flowers and also identifying the crop disease. These are also increase the workload of human by taking care of monitoring tasks. And these are very beneficial in the harmful sites like mining because they can go the places where human can't. And also, dear friend, they are also beneficial for the people to taking care of our borders and also other factors. And dear friends, it is in today's scenario. It also used in the remote areas to provide an internet service and also the many functions and other birthday parties just and
Dear friend, you are actually right. Drone is very helpful in human life because it is also used in good religious purpose to prevent natural calamities. And also it is used in many functions and other railings and other etc. Drone is very helpful for because it reduce the human workload. Take the monotonous task. Dear friends, I am totally agree with you. They use in farming for spraying the medicines and fertilizer, and it is also used for by many companies for transfer articles and products like Amazon to Oka.
Yes, dear friend, I am totally agree with you because the drones have also found demerits. And dear friends, drones cannot fly in bad weather condition like heavy rain, snow and fog. And dear friend, it is also harmful for birds flying in the sky.